Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HSA investing options with Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Fidelity website. Log into your Fidelity account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in HSA investing options and hit enter. From the search results, select the link that discusses health savings accounts. You will be directed to the HSA overview page. Scroll down until you find the section on investment options. Click on the link that provides detailed information about HSA investments. Here, you will see the different investment choices available for your HSA. Review the list of mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment vehicles. Take note of any minimum investment requirements or fees associated with these options. Next, return to your account dashboard. Locate your HSA account in your accounts list. Click on the HSA account to view its details. Look for an option labeled Transfer to Investments or Invest HSA Funds. Follow the prompts to select your preferred investment option. Ensure that you carefully read the risk disclosures provided. Once satisfied, confirm your selections and proceed. Review your confirmation page to ensure everything is correct. Finally, regularly monitor your investments to adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.